Super Typhoon Uwan tore trees from the ground and reduced homes to debris across Aurora Province in the Philippines. On November 13th, 3 days after the storm, teams of Tzu Chi volunteers arrived to begin assessing the damage.
Amin ito, yung nagiba. Ito yung mismo yung bahay namin. Na ito. Yung ganitong bahay, para may tuluyan lang. Tapos, para may masilungan ang mga anak. Hindi, pag ganyan po mamang higa namin, siyempre, aayusin, tapos saka.
Almost no home remains intact here in this coastal community. Even the fishing boats lie in pieces. When volunteers arrived, they began distributing bread to residents.
Ang sabi ko na lang, si Lord na lang ang bahala. May darating kahit papano na tutulong sa amin para kami makabangon. At salamat po at nandiyan na naman kayo na ako'y natutuwa na aalalay po kayo sa amin.
This isn't the first storm residents have faced. Super Typhoon Karding devastated their homes in 2022. Yet even after losing so much, they continue to look ahead with hope for rebuilding.
Kahit pa paano, meron kaming bahay na mauwian. Yun lang talagang pangarap namin. Kahit sino naman nag-ibang bahay, talagang yun ang pangarap. Lalo na ako. Lalo na kami, may anak kaming 6. Talagang ay mga nag-aaral pa, may maliit pa. Talagang ang pangarap namin, meron man lang kaming bahay na matatayo uli.
全回的一些房屋真的是蛮多的。那往后呢，他们居住的这些地方应该是会被迁移哈。实际这边来看，我们会还会细心的一个评估哈，如何真正能够帮助到他们。
Across Aurora and Cebu, 2 provinces hit in succession by Super Typhoon Uwan and Typhoon Tino, Tzu Chi volunteers are on the ground assessing how to best help. They aim to get essential aid to families as quickly as possible. ITV reports.